channel. I hope that you are doing really well today. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you this week's food shop because I haven't done a food shop video on my channel for a while, so I thought we were overdue one. I ended up spending £190 in Aldi for our family of 8. If you are new to my channel, then I am Gillian and I am a mum of 6. So there is 8 of us living under this roof, and yeah, I went to my old favourite Aldi. I had actually started getting into doing a few Asda online delivery food shops, but do you know what, I was just missing a little bit of Aldi. Yeah, I ended up having a jolly old time. I filled my trolley up, and when I was emptying it all out onto the conveyor belt, the man who was serving me like looked at it all and he said, "Oh wow, you look like you're buying for a lot of people. Is there a lot of you at home?" And I just didn't have the heart in me to tell him that day that I had 6 kids at home, so I just nodded along and I was like, yeah, there's a lot of us at home. So yeah, you can be the judge of whether you think I've got a lot of food or not. As always, I will leave our meal plan down in the description box down below if you are interested. It's nothing fancy, but yeah, just if you would like to know. And let's jump straight into what I got from Aldi this week. So just like my other food shops, I'm going to start with everything we have got on the main table. Starting off at the back here, I just have a couple of breakfast bits. We have our Weetabix, we have some multigrain hoops, and then we also have some smooth biscuit spread. I already have some oats, so sometimes I'll just mix some of this biscuit spread in with some oats and make a porridge for them in the mornings. We just like quick, easy breakfasts for the school run. Moving on to our meals for the week. Our first meal here will be the slow cooked gammon. So we're going to do a slow cooker Coke gammon, and I will put those with sweet potatoes. I also have 2 broccolis. We will sometimes take the gammon out of the slow cooker and then just crisp it up in the oven, possibly with a bit of honey. The kids really like that. At the back over here, I just have an easy pasta bake because sometimes, well, most of the time, if you're us, you need those quick, easy meals within the week, especially on a Monday. Monday is like our day where we always need a quick, easy meal because the girls have got swimming after school, then I've got an exercise class, and it's just all a bit go, go, go on a Monday for us. So pasta bake is always a firm winner in this house. So I bought 2 of the creamy tomato pasta bakes, and then I will add sweet corn into that. I will add peppers into that. I also have chopped tomatoes I will add into that, which I already have in the pantry, and we already have the pasta as well. Then we have got some corn chicken pieces because we are going to do Hoisin chicken noodles. I already have 1 pack of medium egg noodles, so I just needed to pick up 1 of those, and I also picked up some tender stem broccoli, which we can add into the Hoisin noodles. I've got the Hoisin sauce already in the pantry as well, so I didn't need to get that, and I'll probably add peppers into that as well. I've got 2 bags of peppers there, so we'll spread those out throughout these meals this week. Down here I have bought some chicken breasts because I thought we could do some bacon medallions wrapped around chicken breasts, possibly add some cheese, barbecue sauce if we want to make it a bit of a hunter's chicken. We already have potatoes, so we will pair the potatoes with this. I forgot to mention as well, we've also got like 3 bags of carrots, so I didn't need to pick up any carrots. And we also have got a bag of peas here. Then over here I picked up some bits because I thought we could do a bit of a full English breakfast for dinner kind of situation. I don't really know. So I got some chicken sausages for that. I also got bacon for that, and then I thought we could just pair it with beans, toast, some eggs, just something really, really easy. I don't know, just make a bit of a mix and match breakfast but not breakfast meal. It's going to be random, but I think it would just be quite nice to have something a little bit different. I did also pick up some chorizo and some of this tomato and mascarpone stir through sauce, so that if we did want to make pasta, again a really easy meal, then we have got the bits there for it. I got egg tagliatelle for that, and I also got some soft cheese that we can mix into that pasta as well. Some soy sauce there. We've got some eggs down here, and then I also picked up these 2 mac and cheese crisp bakes just because they had 30% off. So I thought just because there's 2 of them, I will do these for a lunchtime for Navy and Bodhi. So moving on to more of a lunchtime domain, I picked up these protein sweet and sour chicken. I thought that this would be quite nice for me and Aid on a lunchtime when I have no time to make anything, or I can't be bothered to make anything. Then I could just grab this out of the fridge. To be honest, I might even have it right after I filmed this video because it does look really delicious. It says 13 grams of protein. It's quite green on the red light system, so yeah, we will give that a go. I got a few rice packets. I got savory chicken rice, Mexican style rice, golden veg rice, and just a classic whole grain, because these rice microwave packets are really nice and easy just for lunch times for me, Navy and Bodhi. So if we just want to have some rice with our lunch. I also got some bagel thins, and I got some tomato puree because for another lunch I thought that we could maybe make some pizza bagels bagels. Just put a bit of puree on a bagel, put them in the oven with a bit of cheese on, and that'd be a nice easy lunch for Navy and Bodhi and myself as well. We've got wraps for lunch. We've got the mini wraps for the kids lunch boxes, and then we also have the seeded wraps. We have got bread for sandwiches, we've got tuna for sandwiches, cheese for sandwiches. Over here we actually have ham as well. We also have the big block of white cheddar cheese. These pizzas, which they are chef's kiss, I think they are so nice. So we have the mozzarella and sun-dried cherry tomato, and this one's really, really nice as well. The salami and chili jam sourdough pizza. This one is really spicy actually, so bear that in mind if you don't like spice. These two, absolutely gorge. 2 lots of apple juice at the back. I normally get orange juice, but they didn't have any of the Everyday Essentials orange juice, like the carton ones. And to be honest, I couldn't be bothered to go back to the fridge section, so I've just left orange juice for this week. Pick that up again next week. We have got some milks. Again, this was the last big 6-pint green milk. So normally I try and get loads of milk to last us because we go through milk like no tomorrow in this house, but they only had one big one, so I only ended up going for the last big one, and then I just got 2 of the 4-pint milks, and then I got 1 red, which again I would have preferred to get that in a 4-pint milk, but they only had the 2-pint left, and then we needed to get some squash. Yogurts for the week, we've got the light choc pot. We've got 2 lots of the Everyday Essentials yogurts just for Navy and Bodhi when they're at home, because they go through yogurts like no tomorrow. They absolutely love them. Then I've got some of the squidgy pouch yogurts for lunch boxes. Then we got some fat-free natural yogurt here, and also the Greek 0% fat, which I've mentioned before on my channel, but I like to add with frozen berries and some honey, and it makes a really, really nice dessert for after dinner time. I'm such a sweet tooth. I need to have something sweet in the evening, and that just hits the spot perfectly. And then I will crumble a meringue over the top, and it is just delicious, and the kids also like that as well. And then I picked up 4 of the protein pot yogurts, and then some protein mousse. I also got some peppermint tea. I really want to get into making a little peppermint tea and reading in bed, so yeah, I thought I'd give that a go for a little evening drink. Down here we also got some protein pancakes, and then I also picked up some minis for the kids. They will love that. And what I do like to do as well is melt some of the Biscoff spread and kind of drizzle it on the top, and the kids love that. And then also for another little snack for the kids, the chocolate chip brioche rolls. Then on to our fruit of the week. We have got some grapes. We've got some blueberries. I've got 2 large packs of strawberries because we have been loving melting chocolate, just cheap chocolate, and having it with strawberries and marshmallows as like a little snack. Watermelon. We've got some baby spinach. We've got 2 packs of bananas. We've got some avocado. We've got a cucumber. Oh, don't roll off cucumber. We've got 2 lots of the easy peeler oranges, 2 lots of apples, and then also some raisins. Moving on to frozen bits, because I'm going to have to get these into the freezer really quick. First of all, we have the peri rice meals. Now these are new this year, I think. I've not seen them in there before. Correct me if I'm wrong. These are really, really yummy. And the calories are not too bad for an evening meal. And then we will normally add in chorizo, and it just makes it chef's kiss. The chorizo does bump up the calories, but it is such a nice, quick and easy meal. If the kids are, say, having pizza or something like that, then we sometimes just have this. And yeah, it is really, really nice. So I picked up 2 bags of those. I got some corn crispy chicken nuggets. We have some cans over here, the Tropical Blast and the Lemon Zero Sugar. We also have these chicken dinosaurs, which I bought with Bodhi in mind. I mean, all the kids are absolutely going to love them. You only get 7 in the pack, and they're about £1.79, so they were quite expensive. Not going to go far with my children at all, so I'll just obviously mix these in with some of the other things that they have got, but I did think that they would like them, so I thought I'd give them a try. And if they do really like them, maybe I'll pick up more next week. Then I got some of the sesame chicken tenders. Again, I think this is new this year because I haven't seen them in there before, and they are kind of a dupe for TGI Fridays. Is it the Jack Daniel's sesame chicken? They are delicious. I also got 2 packs of the Stickin' Teriyaki chicken thigh bites. Again, we really love those with rice, soy sauce, a bit of veg. Delicious. And then some salt and pepper chicken batter balls. Again, I think these are pretty new. We already have a bag of these in the freezer, so I only got 1 more of these. And they help us to curb that Chinese takeaway craving. Then I got a couple of pepperoni pizzas for the kids, and then also a pizza garlic bread, and then also a garlic baguette. Then for snacks, we have got salt, which isn't our snack, but we completely ran out of salt, so I needed to buy a top up. 2 bags of the safari snacks, 2 bags of the cookie minis. We've got 10 mini pepperonis here. They'll be good for the lunch boxes. Cheese and chive onion twists. As I just mentioned, we like to melt some chocolate to go over the strawberries. So we have got 2 packs of the Everyday Essentials milk chocolate. And then we have 2 packs of the Seal bars. And then also a bag of custard creams. And then we are on to crisps. So we have got a bag of the 30 classic flavors Snack Right crisps. We have got the melt. When I saw these in there, again, I think they are new. I've never seen them in there before. Honey glazed barbecue flavored multi-grain. But these honey glazed ones, they remind me of the honey crisps in M&S, which are my absolute favorites. So if this is a good dupe for those, then that would be fantastic. The kids will probably love those as well. So that brings me to the end of my food shopping video. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this, and I thank you so much for your continued support, especially if you are a returning viewer. It means so much to me, because I know I haven't been the most consistent, which I'm going to hopefully try and change up this year, but I just thank you so much. Yeah, it's truly appreciated, and I will hopefully see you again in a video soon. Bye.